Welcome to the Sealux presentation. In this video we will show you how to install HydroHalt TileBud to seal an existing joint between a shower tray or bath and adjacent shower wall. TileBud has three key components: the HydroHalt strip, a backer rod and a sealant adhesive. The sealant adhesive we recommend for use with TileBud is Sealux N Neutral Curing Sanitary Grade Silicone or equivalent. Use wire wool to roughen surfaces and remove stubborn dirt. After cleaning with the alcohol wipes, the installation may now commence. Resting the alignment guide on the ledge, mark the wall 75 mm above the ledge and draw lines through the wall marks. To prevent smearing sealant on the wall during application, apply masking tape just outside the strip upper and end boundaries. Measure the length of the joint being sealed and cut the strip accordingly. The strip should not extend beyond the tray or bath ends. Lower the strip down into the joint. Remove the release liner from the back of the strip. Progressively peeling back the release liner, press bond the strip to the wall. Fold the strip back and tape it down away from the wall. Sealux N is a high-performance sealant adhesive that forms a strong bond between the strip and wall surfaces formed of cement, timber and gypsum-based wallboard materials. Apply a 5 mm diameter zigzag line of sealant at 100 mm centers on the wall, between the strip and wall lines, or masking tape if applied. Spread the sealant on the wall using the serrated edge of the spatula. Remove the strip holding tabs and lift the strip upright to engage the wall adhesive. Using the straight edge of the spatula, firstly press bond the strip into each corner to form a 90-degree angle, and then against the remaining wall surfaces to form a permanent bond. Remove the wall masking tape if applied. Apply masking tape over the flat ledge surface alongside the joint to protect against sealant smears while sealing the joint. Lay a 7 mm round backer rod over the joint between the ledge and strip. Use the backer rod wheel with a sealant nozzle to roll the backer rod down into the joint. Apply sealant into the joint formed between the strip and the shower tray sidewall. Rub up the joint sealant so its upper surface falls from the strip side to the ledge side. Remove the masking tape off the ledge. The installation is now complete. Remember, these are just general guidelines that reflect typical site conditions. Joint expansion between the ledge and wall is a frequent cause of leaks. Joint expansion creates tension in the sealing material, which often results in adhesion failure or the sealant splitting. For this reason, the HydroHalt strip is designed to bond tenaciously with Sealux N silicone. After the installation of TileBud, tiling can commence. We recommend the insertion of a sealant backer rod into the joint formed between the tile and adjacent ledge. This sealant backer rod will shutter and shape the sealant cross-section, enabling it to stretch and accommodate joint expansion. The sealant joint between the tile and ledge should not be considered a permanent joint seal because it is exposed to the climate and chemicals of the showering environment and will deteriorate over time. The rate of sealant deterioration will be further accelerated if also subjected to the stress of elongation under effects of joint expansion. Now, let's take a reality check inside the joint and evaluate how the HydroHalt sealing system reacts under joint expansion. As you can see, the exposed sealant bridge between the tile and ledge releases off the backer rod and stretches under tension. The HydroHalt sealing system accommodates joint expansion through elongation and deflection in the HydroHalt strip at its point of contact with the sealant, and shear elongation of the sealant bridge between the strip and shower tray sidewall. When the sealant joint between the tile and ledge fails, the HydroHalt sealing system ensures the resulting leak is contained inside the shower area. We hope this presentation has been of interest, and thank you for your time viewing it. If you have any concerns not addressed in this video, please do not hesitate to contact us.